Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage buttons mapping for Steelseries Rival 3 wireless. And to do this, you will need to get Steelseries GG app on your PC. You can download it from Steelseries website. Here in the engine, let's click on Rival 3 wireless. When it's connected, you should see it. Inside, on the top left corner of the screen, there's all of the buttons, and also here is an image of your mouse with all of the buttons and where they are placed. So in this case, let's go for button number 5, and when you click on it, you'll see this pop-up. Here you can change the functions for the button, so there's default and it will work as a button number 5. Next is keyboard buttons, and you'll be able to adjust any button from your keyboard to use as this button. Then there's macros. You can record any macros and put them right here. You can check our video on how to record macros in this app if you're interested. Next is media buttons. You can adjust the media using this button as well, so you can mute it, play next track, play and pause, previews, volume up, volume down. Next, mouse buttons. So here you have all of the buttons that are normally used for mouse. Deactivate, that way this button won't work at all when you click on done. Next is launch application. Here you can add any executable files to launch using this button, so if you click on it, it should open the specific app. Next is launch configuration. So if you have saved any configuration for Steelseries GG app, you can launch it right here. So for example, we have Apex 7 and we can open any config using that button. Launch engine apps, and here you can open any apps that are connected with the engine for Steelseries GG app. So for example, there's CSGO, you can turn it on, off, toggle, or set it to no action. There's also OS shortcuts, so you can use something like copy or cut or paste or undo, redo, and etc. There's many settings. And last one is record macro. So using this button, you can start recording instant macros. Click on done to put that button to work. So when we click on it, it should begin recording macro, and click on it again, it stops, and the macro should be sent to the editor right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.